In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Crunch Fitness discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Crunch Fitness discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called simplycodes.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get a free shipping, all you need to do is select your copy code from right here. And this is the promo code that you can copy and you can apply on the website in order to get the free shipping. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website couponbirds.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 25% discount, all you need to do right here is select get code. And this is the promo code that you can copy from right here. And you can use this promo code in order to get this 25% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.